Building a website for your Portuguese restaurant doesn't have to be expensive and it doesn't have to be too complicated either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-sites platform to build a simple website for your Portuguese restaurants. If you haven't heard of multi-sites before, multi-sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed at all. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search all your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, Portuguese restaurants. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business. Pop in your restaurant name, your city, and your state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, multi-sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to close that off because today I'm going to be showing you the ropes. The beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own amazing images of all the delicious meals you're serving up in your restaurants. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written. You can absolutely do so. You don't need to know any website coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's honestly easy enough to even manage from your smartphone. So let's go ahead and click on the first section at the top here. I'm going to pop in my email address and make sure that that is visible on my website for my customers to see. Phone number is click to call. And your physical location, once your physical location is popped in and your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website, so your customers can easily give you a follow and get some engagement going. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. No color coding is needed at all. You can literally just scroll through all of the color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. Let's head on over to the next section. For each section you want to make amendments to, just click on the update section button directly underneath it. Let's head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds and thousands of free images to choose from. They're all really high quality. Otherwise, if you have a Instagram account, you can actually connect it with a click of a button, automatically pull in all those photos. And update actions, where we have the call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. If you take maybe online orders or reservations, you can put the URL in here through a third party. Otherwise, you have the option to upload a PDF file, which is a great way to upload your menu to your website so your customers can view it before they stop by. In this section over here, the next section, you can put in your opening hours, click on update hours, pop them in for all the various days you're open. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving. If you have a custom domain for your restaurants, you can click on that yellow button at the bottom saying connect your domain. If you don't have a domain yet, a custom one, we recommend that you really get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. You can click on that button as well and purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your Portuguese restaurant on the multi-sites platform. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.